Decentraland has held up extremely well during all the Bitcoin volatility, and I don't think it's done. I think it is ready for its next explosive movement upwards. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, and we'll dive right in and show you exactly why I'm really bullish on Decentraland. So, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice. All this is for educational purposes only. So Decentraland's right here. It also has the ticker of MANA, M-A-N-A. So it is a medium market cap coin, around 70 on the total market cap, $1.6 billion in it. So it's definitely not a small coin, but also not a high market cap coin either. What that tells me is it has stability, it has history in the market, and it also has a ton of room for growth. I like these coins around the 30 to 100 range. Those are the ones I think are like the sweet spot. So any medium cap coin like that has a ton of potential. So I like the overall placing in the market cap. So let's go ahead and dive into the let's go into the BTC pairing and see why I'm also bullish on it. So the first level, you got to go to the very high time frame. This is a quarterly breaker that was established. Either a quarterly breaker or a quarterly point of breakdown. Either one's, I think, a little bit legitimate. I would honestly say point of breakdown because it's the last up candle before the massive drop here you saw in April of 2019. So if you expand this out, you can see how we've already had a really solid retest right here. I'm going to continue to the upside. That looks really good. On a lower time frame, I believe it's a weekly, perfect. You can also see this weekly breaker has also been established. It formed a formed a bull trap, and you can tell that because you had low volume on this increase. Fell through, got a solid rejection, came up here, got another solid rejection. So right now we are between this quarterly breaker and this weekly breaker. I think these are the two levels really holding the price down. Now, if you go to the low time frame, let's go to the daily chart. We can see some really interesting things going on. So, for one, although doesn't look the cleanest, there is definitely some sort of a trend line here. It's not very clear the exact level, but there's absolutely something here holding the price down, and I think we're pressed up against this overall line of best fit. That's a really good sign. Now, the other thing right here, look the interaction we've had with the 200 moving average. As you guys know, the 200 moving average is my litmus test for the market to know if a coin's bullish or not. Well, we've tested it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and are now pushing to the upside, pressing against this major trend line. So yeah, this looks really healthy, and the 200 moving average, as long as we stay above there, I don't have any reason why I should be bearish right now. This looks really solid. Now let's go to the US dollar pairing and see how the that one looks. Well, if I'm doing this video, you already know the answer is good. I like this chart as well. So if you go to the weekly, I believe, nope, 3-day. On the 3-day level, you can see how you have a very clear breaker established. Now you know this level is very significant because not only did it come down here, it did a solid retest that level, came back up here, retested it again and again before eventually breaking the upside. Not only that, the most recent price action has us dipping down here and continuing the upside. And we know the volatility we've had on Bitcoin, and it's held up extremely well throughout the volatility. This is a show of strength and something that helps solidify the bias that this is a very bullish coin. As far as price targets, guys, I mean, this one has a tremendous amount of potential. This thing has been inside this range for a very long time. Just look at this, like, guys, like, this is amazing. So we are essentially in the same area for the last, since its inception in 2017. Okay, we're still in the same general area. We're consolidating over this massive accumulation area over here, which is great, guys. Like, I don't even know where the price targets could be on here, but this is one of those ones where you just buy, you sit on, and you just wait because the ride is going to be absolutely insane. So yeah, you know dang well that I went ahead and picked up another bag of mana. I've already had some for a while, but I went ahead and picked up some more. Now, if you want to know when I'm going to be unloading some or finding other positions, make sure you guys are in my Discord. The reason why I keep everyone up to date on what's going on, especially with the altcoins, just giving you guys price targets, updating you guys on what my overall positions look like. So if you go over here into right here. These are my active holdings, and I have it updated today. I did pick up some more mana, so it's been on there for a while, but I'm actually going to be increasing that. So it should be probably around this area right here. So either way, guys, outside of that, that's all I really got. If you have any questions, like always, comment below any questions you have, and I'll see you guys in the next video.